Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gokia. I'm a holistic health coach. Today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar is by Shri Guru Ram Das Ji in Rag Jaitsri Ang 696 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Today's Hukamnama is a beautiful reminder of the divine treasure that resides within all of us. जैतश्री महला चौथा कर पंचवा चौपदे एक ओंकार सदगुरु प्रसाद वन यूनिवर्सल क्रिएटर गॉड बाय द नेम ऑफ द ट्रू गुरु मेरे हियरे रतन नाम हर बसिया गुर हाथ तरियो मेरे माथा द ज्यूल ऑफ द लॉर्ड्स नेम अबाइड्स विद इन माई हार्ट द गुरु हैज़ प्लेस्ड हिज हैंड ऑन माई फोरहेड. Guruji tells us that the jewel of the Lord's name is right here in our hearts. But how often do we pause in our busy lives and search for it? Let's dive deeper into this profound wisdom, connecting it with our today's life. The jewel, the Naam, is not something outside us. It's the inner connection to peace, love and joy. When the Guru places his hand on our forehead, it symbolizes blessings, guidance, and awakening. But here's the key. We have to be open to receiving it because we are at receiving end. So we have to prepare ourselves to receive it. Think of it like today's world of technology. You might have the latest smartphone, but unless you unlock it, it's just a box. Similarly, the Naam in our unlock code, it activates the treasure within us. So Guruji further says, Janam janam ke kil bik dukh utre, gur haath diyo rin latha. So which means by embracing the Naam, the burdens of countless lifetimes or guilt or regrets and pain are all washed away. Imagine how light and free that feels. So Guruji further says, Mere man pach Ram naam sab artha. So this means, O mind, vibrate the Lord's name and all your affairs shall be resolved. But what does this look like in today's world? Let me share a personal experience. A few months ago, a young woman came to me for coaching. She was overwhelmed, juggling a corporate job, family responsibilities, and health issues. She felt stuck. Together, we worked on one simple practice, meditating on the Naam for 5 minutes daily. At first, she resisted. How will this help my problems? She said. But within weeks, she noticed a shift. Her mind became clearer, she started prioritizing better, and her stress level also reduced. Now, how does this happen? Actually, this is the power of vibrating the Naam. It creates harmony within us. See, try to understand. It creates harmony within us, which then reflects in the outside world. Then Guruji says, Gurpure har naam dridaya bin naave जीवन birtha rahau. The perfect Guru implants the Naam within us, but without it, life is meaningless. Why? Because Naam is the anchor. Now understand like this. Imagine a boat in a stormy sea without an anchor. It drifts aimlessly, battered in the waves. Isn't that how many of us feel today? Pulled in every direction by work pressure, relationship conflicts, and social media distractions, by the way. The Naam is the anchor that keeps us steady, no matter how rough the storm is. So, holistic health is not just about diet and exercise. It's about mental peace, emotional balance, and spiritual connection. The Naam is like the thread that ties all these things together. Now, without it, life feels empty, even if you have a lot of wealth, success, and status. Now, you might wonder that how do I start? Means, how do I implement it? It's like start small, think big. Just set aside 5 minutes daily. Sit quietly and chant Vaheguru authentically within your heart. Let go of distractions. There are so many distractions we are facing nowadays. So let go of distractions at least for 5 minutes and just chant Vaheguru. Just think of one blessing in your life and thank the divine for it. Whether you're cooking, working, or walking, whatever you're doing, let the vibration of the Naam guide you. It's not like, practice makes the man perfect. It's like practice will make you confident. So when you really practice it on the regular basis, it will really work. So now here let me leave you with a thought. When you discover the jewel of Naam within you, it's not just for yourself. Like a lamp that lights up a room, your peace and joy will inspire others. So let's commit to this journey of vibrating the Naam, not just as a ritual, but as a way to live fully and meaningfully. Remember, the Naam is the ultimate detox for our soul, mind, and body. So do take the first step today. Remember, the Naam is not just a practice, it's the way of life. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.